One thing I love to do is use my imagination, which is why this is one of our all-time favourite walks. Right, come on over. I've got bags for all of you. See if you can spot some really fun animals around here. Oh, couple of puddles.
It looks like Daisy is just jumping in a puddle, but actually she's fighting off a mud monster. Oh no, the mud monster fought back.
Now we need to follow the purple arrows, okay?
What's that? What are they?
Oh, Daisy's found it. This is the amphitheatre here. This is a stage for outside where we can put on a show. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
How wonder what you are.
And the crowd went wild for us. Now, I promised you big puddles. There are some.
Take that, mud monsters.
Yes, Maxie. I know. I can see another puddle.
Got them.
Go on. Yeah.
It's so fun to make up games when you're on a walk, but don't lose your way.
Which way are we going? Really big nest up in that tree. Where have they all gone? Right, I'm going to count to 10. I'm going to come and find you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? Here I come. Oscar, got you. Harrison, I can see you through there. Come and look over here. Ooh, there's a pond down here. Oh, do you know what? I can see frog spawn. So they're not frogs yet. They're the frog spawn. So those are the frog eggs.
Yeah, frog eggs.
Can you see them? It's all spotty under the water.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on. There is something. I can see like a little newt. Oh, there it is. Can you see it at the front here?
Yeah.
Can you see it? And this one here is trying to catch the fly.
Yeah.
That's his dinner. Who fancies flies for their dinner tonight? There's a very cool house we're going to look for around here. Let's see if we can find the house. It's a very special Viking house.
I found it!
Have you found it? Now, who can give me their best animal noises in here? So let's see if we can be a wild pig. What would a wild pig sound like? You want to do a wolf? What? That's a great wolf. And this one, I think... Yeah, that's a bear, isn't it? And then what about this one? Oh, good. What was your favourite part of the walk?
Splashing puddles in the Viking house. Oh look. Here we are.